Hi, I'm Rakesh. I'm from Surat, Gujarat, and I'm co-founder of Decode Age.
Hi, I'm Parth and I'm from Bangalore. I'm, a, I'm also co-founder of Decode Age.
So we are solving aging as a problem. I think longevity sciences. That's what the week is about in ZuGrāma. So we are actually working in longevity. We are the pioneers of starting something about and talking about longevity in India. So I think it's a great field to work with. This feels like it will be the future of healthcare. So we are very excited and very upbeat about working in this exciting field.
I think one thing which excites me is having a lot of time to work on different particular problems coming tomorrow, and also getting connected to one of the most interesting part that would be living forever. So if I live forever, I can solve thousands of things possible going tomorrow. Uh, Coming to ZuGrāma, before coming to ZuGrāma, the idea was to solve aging or solve longevity problems. I think in this weekend events, I think met few people, head into discussions. Now we think that we might solve the interstellar travel.
Experience for me in ZuGrāma has been unreal and unbelievable. I think the kind of atmosphere and the kind of people that we are able to gather here and the kind of discussions that are going on here it really makes you think out of the box because in your day-to-day work sometimes you're very much engaged in and very much engrossed in whatever you're building or whatever you're working on, but then here you get an outside perspective about what is going on. So I think during this longevity week, this was a biggest revelation, I think for me and I think for all of us at Decode Age was that we were able to see things from far away. We were able to meet like-minded people who were who were thinking and talking in the same language, maybe I would say, and that was great. And also I was being exposed to very new concept like Web 3.0, crypto, DAO, and how this platforms can be, really used in a lot of ways, and how these other developments that are going around in the world in other fields like AI, crypto, Web 3.0, and all that. How can we integrate as a science-based company? How can we take use of all these technologies and make mix and collaborate and do something around building good products, good science, and do a lot of good research. So I think this week has been, I think it is a very thought provoking and a very life changing moment, and I believe such community should continue, and such event should be done on a very regular basis, because I think more and more people can then get aligned and make this a community driven thing rather than we only working on something.
Yeah, I think Rakesh means to say that we should launch our own coin. No, I think this lot of things have came up. We met many different set of people, different perspective towards one single particular problem. Uh, so looking at from an outside uh, of the industry areas, I think a lot of points have came out. Dig down on the entire aging concept biologically, uh, meeting different set of people, learning from them. I think few collaborations we did, research we saw, people following it up. I think that really also motivates in terms of the possibilities this can bring together, I think, and also give every one of us a different space where we really experience our own thoughts. We get time to think about in much more deeper ways. And I think one point, single point, if you ask me, would be best people coming together and discussing things again and again and again
Yeah.
and bringing you out of the box.
I think the best part about the microbiome experience that we are seeing here is people are adhering to it, because a lot of times that we have seen is that we give them a diet or we give them protocols that they need to follow, but then adhering to it for a 30-day or a 45-day or a 2 months sometimes becomes a challenge. So I think that's a real good thing that we are seeing here, that people are actually adhering to it. And then I've met a lot of people. A lot of people are seeing a lot of good improvements already in such a short time. So I'm really excited to see the way their gut microbiome changes over the period of next 45 days. And it would be very interesting to see the data and the kind of improvement that we will see as a community that has happened in such a short period of time, where you really change the way you eat. And the best part is we can also measure it and track it now. So I think I'm really looking forward to it.
I think I'm not a scientist to talk about data here, but great to great to see people adhering to what they have been told to eat about, told to not drink around for this particular day. So adhering in this time when they are spending it out of their town, out of their particular areas, I think this is interesting that everyone is following it so rigorously and being excited, adding their data points every single day, morning, afternoon, evening.
Yeah.
I think that's interesting to see, and that we have not have experienced in our 4 years journey in Decode Age. Any set of people who have followed it without being told about. That's an interesting area to see this.
ZuGrāma, keep doing this thing. We really loved it. I mean, this is the kind of thing that we have wanted, something like this thing to happen in India. It is so great to see, experience, live this thing. And I think I'm looking back to come back here again and
It
do
is so
this,
exciting.
experience this again.
I think next year we would love to see Yash coming up with a city ZuGrāma, and we getting our office or getting our place there, and we move with everyone.